Okay, so we're just going to type the lbid number .lifevantage.com. Enter. Then you will be redirected to this default page. You go to this flag, click to find the different countries where you are. For example, you are in the United States, click United States. Okay, then just agree or accept all. Then you can now browse the default page of the US market. Okay, scroll down. Okay, then if you want to order as a customer, you look for shop now. Click. Then just look for the product you want to order. For example, we have here the key activators, let's say. And you can look for intelligent aging. Okay, then you can order this bundle, which is more cheaper. F1 and F2, add to cart. There you go. Then check out. There it is. You just fill this out for your details, your name, address. Just upon filling it up, you check this so that I can go through password. Check this box. Then just proceed. Click next. So I can't proceed because I need to supply the blank boxes. So in case you are able to fill this out, just click next and just follow the direction. So there is an online payment using your credit card. Then it can be a shift through your home or the address where you want to ship the product. Okay, hope this is clear. Thank you.